Hello and welcome back to this Challenger build. Now I'm going to be moving on to stage 23, assembling the main gun, and then 24 and assembling the turret. Generally just assembling the turret till we get to the end. Right, so let's start with the main gun. I've already cut these bits off, so let's get started. The turret symbol. So here we go. Okay, put that to one side. Now I'm going to put the machine gun together. And a little bit of the commander's hatch. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to section 27, which is assembling some of the side armour, putting some of the hatches together, and small little hooks and the smoke dischargers. Okay, now I'm going to start on the part 28 or section 28, just more of the turret Cymbal. So I'm going to be putting these bits together, adding these bits, adding the side armour. You might notice on the diagram there, you can see these little triangles. They are actually on the moulding as well. Now these, can't really see them, can you? But these are because these are, you know, the reactive armour. But I believe, because I've heard this, I will research it a bit more, that these little triangles are for when they're in training. So they wouldn't have these in combat, I don't think. But I will check. I've got plenty of pictures, but I think they put different ones on when they're in the combat zone. So yeah, let's crack on with this little bit here. Right, I suppose you're wondering why I assembled these together, because there are in two different sections on the instructions. Because I'm still deciding what to do about these triangles. I could leave them and have it so the tank is in, let's say, Botherton training camp, Yeah, so I don't know what to do. I don't know if you can see the little triangles on there. Let's think about it. Okay, right, so I've had a look. I've seen lots of training, I've seen lots of pictures. They do have these triangles on. So I'm going to leave them on. So there you go, that's the turret so far. So here we are at the final section of the turret assembly, and really the assembly itself. So I'm just going to add these bits and see if I can add the bar armour, because I might be able to spray the bar armour on the turret. Okay, I've dry fitted the bar armour. Because I don't know if I'm going to be, don't know if I'll be able to spray it with it on there. I mean, I think I could. But it went on really easy actually. It just clicks on. Which is quite good. I was actually right about that. Even though on another kit I've got to do, it's bar section. It's going to be a bit more fun. But we do a bit of cleaning up the bar armour now. It doesn't quite go this side. But, so I've pretty much done all the assembly work now. I'm just going to be priming it and then spraying it, which will be in a different video, which could be later on, because as I've got another Challenger to build, I'm probably going to spray them at the same time, as they're both going to be NATO green as the base colour, so I might just do it all in one go. I haven't decided about the dozer blade yet. I do actually think it looks quite good with the dozer blade. So, plus I could do some nice dirtying up on that. But equally, you know, I could have this extra bit of armour at the front here. Done some of the bar armour, but I've got some of the bar armour still on the sprue because I'm undecided how I'm going to paint that. This is a bit weird with the turret because it will. It's going to take these down, so I don't know to take the wind mirrors off or fold them down. So yeah. So yeah, anyway, join me next time. Like I say, this is going to be sprayed, so don't expect anything for a while, because I've got to buy some primer as well. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you can think of any way I can improve my videos, please tell me, because I really want to improve my videos, but I don't know which direction to go in. I need feedback. Anyway, bye.